So before starting my video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon for more videos like this. Anyways, let's get started. Hey everyone, Siddhant here, and today I'm going to show you guys the unboxing of the Poco F1 Rosso Red. So this is the 6 plus 64GB model and I have bought it from Flipkart for 21,000 rupees, and the best buy link will be down in the description. So if you want to buy it, you can use the link in the description to buy it. Anyways, so let me just peel off this plastic and cut the seal, and we will see what comes inside the box. This is how the box looks like, and the box is made up of really good material, and let's see what comes inside the box. So opening up the box, we get this pamphlet type of thing. Inside that we get the user manual along with the translucent case, which we see in lot of phones these days. So as you guys can see, this is the plastic case. So this is the clear type plastic case, which is really nice. So if you want to use that, you can use that. And next thing inside the box, we have the phone itself in this Rosso red color, and let me tell you, the red color looks really good in real life, as you guys can see. So let me just peel off all of the plastic from the phone and we will see what comes inside the box. So this is the phone itself, and it looks really good in that red color. Moving on, inside the box we get this quick charge 3-in labeled charger, which has an output of 5 volt at 3 amps. So it charges the phone really quickly. And we have this USB type C cable, because this phone has USB type C port. And the last thing we have is this SIM ejector tool. So this phone has a hybrid SIM card slot. You can attach one SIM card plus one memory card or 2 SIM cards. So this is the phone itself, and as you guys can see, it looks really good. Now let me just power it on, and as you guys can see, this is the phone itself. It looks really good, and here is the notch. The notch also looks really good. I will also make a bunch of videos on this phone on my channel, so if you want to see that, make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. And anyways, yeah guys, so basically the quick unboxing of this phone. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Peace.